Can you get sued for starting your own house cleaning company? That is a great question. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you have a question, you can go to askahousecleaner.com. There's a blue button right there in the corner. You can click on that and ask your question to me. Now, somebody called in and they asked this question.
Hi, I work for a cleaning company right now, and I'm wanting to give my notice and quit the cleaning company and possibly do it on my own. I'm wondering if I quit my job and if they find out I have clients that are not theirs, will I get sued, or will it be okay if I just start my own, seeing how I quit the company?
All right, can you get sued for starting your own house cleaning company? And the answer is probably yes, you could, but it's unlikely that you will. And here's the reason why. Most cleaning companies don't have the bandwidth to take you to court and to sue you. And then if they did win, what are they going to get from you? A lot of house cleaners that come in and they work as employees don't have a lot of assets that could be granted in a win of a court case. So it is unlikely you will get sued. But I want to warn you of what I call the cute dog. Now, anybody that's ever been to a pet store will wander in and they see these little tiny cute dogs. And they're like, oh my gosh, I got to get me one of those dogs, right? And you get really excited and you imagine in the back of your head unconditional love and affection from this cute little dog if you were to take it home with you, right? So we get all caught up in the moment and we're like, oh, I got to get me one of those. But we don't think big picture. The big picture is there are going to be a lot of vet bills that are associated with cute dog. There are also going to be growth patterns from cute dog. And cute dog today might turn into a 75-pound dog later on that eats $20 or $30 worth of food per week. Okay, so we're not thinking long term when we see cute dog. Also, we're not thinking that he's got to go out and go walking 2 or 3 times a day, and that's going to take 45 minutes of your time that you're not doing right now, right? Other things we don't think about cute dog is that perhaps cute dog has sharp teeth and likes to chew on all the furniture, and within a matter of days or weeks, all of the pillows in the house may be chewed and shredded apart. Furniture may be gnawed and clawed on. All of the doors may have like dog prints. Dog may go outside and wander around in mud or dirt or what have you, and then come tracking it in through your house and all over your house. Cute dog has left remnants of where he's been, right? So when we see cute dog, we're not thinking big picture. So what I want to warn you of is, while it's unlikely you may get sued in your cleaning business, cute dog is very much at play when you transition from being an employee of a cleaning company to going out and starting your own cleaning company. Question is, did you sign a non-disclosure? Did you sign a non-compete? Did you sign a territory agreement that said, I won't work in the same territory that you're working in should I go out and start on my own? The non-compete is I won't compete in your market for a number of years. Is that 1 year? Is that 2 years? Is that 3 years? All of those are standard in the cleaning industry. What was your agreement? All right, cute dog. Oftentimes we think, oh, the house is worth $200. And right now I'm only making as a cleaner $80. And so you think, oh, if I were to clean the house myself, cute dog, I'm going to be getting all $200 to myself. What you're not thinking, and this is bigger picture, is that when you start your own cleaning business, instead of having one job where you're cleaning a house, what happens is you now have 10 jobs. You become the administrator for the business. You become the bookkeeper for the business. You become the hiring and recruiting person for the business. You become the social media manager for the business. You become the sales and marketing team that goes out and does the walkthroughs and deals with all of the incoming sales. You become the customer service department where when a customer calls and they're not satisfied with the work or something came up or they have cancellations or whatever, you have to be the customer service department as well. So as a small business owner, we wear lots of hats in that we have to cover all of the territories ourselves. Now, if you're really smart, you'll take that extra $120 that you did not get paid as the house cleaner, and you will pay that towards 10 other people running those areas of the business so that as a business owner, you are not working 20 or 22 hours a day to run your cleaning business, right? So cute dog is that, oh, I could keep all the money, but there's actually a much bigger picture at play. At Savvy Cleaner, we have a course called Is Cleaning Right For You? And it's an expensive course if you're just getting started in the business, but that one-time course can save you thousands of dollars in mistakes of what people will not tell you when you get into the cleaning business. And there are a lot of people that go through that course and they're like, whoa, I'm making so much more money as an employee than I would be if I were running the cleaning company myself, right? I don't want to discourage you from starting your own cleaning business, but I want to paint very realistic expectations. Because if what you're seeing is cute dog, and what I really need you to see is a 75-pound dog that's going to be eating 30 pounds of dog food per month or per week, and then has 2 or 3 walks a day that's going to take an hour and a half or 45 minutes of your time per walk, what does that look like for you? And you got to replace a whole house full of furniture, dog pees on the floor. I mean, I want to paint the realistic picture so you know what it is you're getting into. Now, when you start off and you go off on your own, you made the comment, are you going to get in trouble because you already have existing clients? If you already have existing clients and they came from the other cleaning company, yeah, you're probably going to get in trouble and you'll probably ruin goodwill with that existing business owner. So my suggestion is don't go behind their back. Go to them directly and say, hey, I'm thinking about doing this on my own. And is there a way we can still work together? Because right now they're going to be losing an employee. They're going to have gaps in their schedule. Maybe you could still work those gaps as an independent contractor, not an employee. And then as your business grows, maybe you hire them back or someone from their team as your business grows and you have gaps you need to fill. So make it a collaborative agreement because you know their company culture and they know you already. So if they know, like, and trust you, don't go behind their back and try to do this on your own without their blessing. I know it sounds counterintuitive. You're going to go compete with them, but the competition is there are millions of homes in America, right? Millions of homes, and not any company can do all the homes. And so instead of competing with each other, if you guys will collaborate, there's going to be a lot better long-term relationship between you and the company that you just worked for. So that would be my suggestion. Don't be sneaky. Don't use their cleaning supplies. Don't take their customers, and don't go behind their back. That is not going to help you in any way. All that is a cute little dog that's going to grow up into something that you're like, whoa, I should have thought that through first, right? All right, I hope you found that helpful. And if you got questions, leave those in the notes below. If you are starting a cleaning business and you want to go to the next level and you don't want to make any serious mistakes, check out this next playlist. It's going to answer a lot of your getting started questions. Until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.